How to check credit score in TD Bank app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TD Bank application on your device. Ensure you have the latest version of the application installed on your device. Now, go ahead and log in, entering your username and password to access your account. Further, navigate to the credit score. Look for a section labeled Credit Score or Credit Monitoring in the main menu of your account or your account dashboard. Now, to view your score, once you find the credit score section, you should be able to view your current credit score along with any details or insights related to it. Now set up alerts. If the app offers credit score alerts, consider enabling them to monitor changes in your score. And if you have trouble finding your score, check the TD Bank website or contact customer service for assistance. So, this is how you can check credit score in TD Bank app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.